Google News. Hamas fires rockets at Tel Aviv as Israel expands Gaza ground operations. Israel troops enter northern Gaza. Hamas retaliate with rocket fire. Why did Netanyahu end the Gaza ceasefire? Go market analysis. Go market analysis for trader upmatch. Key intraday price entry levels for active trader. Laser focus Jim Woodcock. His 5-minute bar chart for COMEX gold futures can be a valuable analytical and trading tool for the active intraday gold futures trader market watcher based on the short-term technical support and resistance levels. I show potential buy and sell price entry point. Remember, most successful traders buy on early price trend and sell on early price weakness. If you are an active intraday trader of gold, you definitely want to check out this unique and exclusive daily trading analytical tool from at Kito. Go spot. Can I go room and soon focus moving lots of go back to go may consider it. They say you know and you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Why go revaluation charts? Put prices at 75,000 just dollar to 55,000 US dollar if history resumes 0.4 breakout. First capital strategies gold shock revaluation scenario. Kitco news. A rare coincidence of gold demand from both Eastern and Western economies is fueling a significant rally in the precious metal, and silver is on the cusp of a major move back to its all-time highs. According to Terry Costa, partner Michael strategist at Prescott Capital, speaking at the P25 conference in Toronto, Costa told Kitco News that historical comparisons suggest a dramatic evaluation of gold could be in store. Costa highlighted its firm recent report, which examined the potential for gold prices to reach extraordinary levels if the U.S. were to revalue its gold inventory relative to understanding treasury. To me, it comes down to the treasury. How much treasuries are outstanding out there? 36 trillion. How much do we own of gold? Costa stated. Currently, the value of the U.S. gold reserves is about 2% of those treasuries outstanding, compared to roughly 17% in the 1970s and close to 40 in the 1940s. And if we are going to go back to the 17%, it takes us back to 25,000 US dollar on and on. Or if we go back to the 40%, it's close to 50,000 US dollar and on. Costa explained, noting that these are not price targets but serve to illustrate the potential for significant valuation shifts. He pointed out that central banks have been accumulating gold at 50-year highs since the global financial crisis, while U.S. gold reserves are at their lowest levels in 90 years. This divergence could pressure the U.S. to reconsider its gold policy. Costa also expressed strong concerns about the overvaluation of the US dollar, stating it's like at its peak and its most overvalued levels in history versus other currencies. He drew parallels to historical instances of dollar devaluation, such as the Plaza Accord in 1985 and the events of the 1930s. What we do know is that the dollar is at its peak, most likely, and that's the key part of it. So, as an investor, you think, what do I do in that scenario? He said. He suggests that a weaker dollar would be a green light to a lot of assets crises that have been ignored for a long time, including emerging markets and natural resources. Regarding Syria, Costa sees it as being on the verge of a significant move back to its all-time highs. He noted positive short-term price action and believes the derivatives of gold, including silver, are looking very attractive near term. It wouldn't surprise me if we see a jump in silver prices to finally close at a quarterly high in terms of the candle. A quarterly high would be around 40 US dollar, Costa stated. He believed the historical cup and handle formation in silver suggests a potential breakout is near. Furthermore, Costa highlighted the constrained supply of silver and increasing demand, given his outlook on the dollar and precious metals. Costa recommends rebalancing of investments away from the tech space towards commodities and emerging markets. He pointed to the high valuation of the US equity compared to emerging markets. Costa also observed the significant cash position of investors like Warren Buffett, suggesting a potential redeployment of capital when more attractive valuation emerge. Special thanks to our sponsor, Gold Mining Inc. Corporation, UECURC, for making this coupling possible. This plan by Gold Governors. Have a good night.